Basically, in our contract, a big part of what's just been recently sort of handed to us is that we have been charged to tow buses out as it's coming up to the wet season. We're going to be towing we'll start towing a lot of buses out. So we actually need to gear our people up to use the right equipment, and also to use it properly and safely. And we've actually brought in some of the latest equipment from New Zealand. So yeah, basically we need to show our people how to use them properly so we can actually deliver that service in an appropriate way. With the lifting that's going on behind us, we also do a lot of culvert installation. We lift a lot of heavy objects as part of our work in the contract. And again, it's a safety thing. You know, when you're lifting heavy objects and people are around, we need to make sure that they know how to use the equipment properly, and also do the job safely. So it's basically pushed a lot of this training through to line up with what we do in our business. Basically, it's the main subcontractors that we use within our contract, and we've done about 70 so far. We've got another 60 more individuals to roll through this training. So we're putting everyone through because, especially with the towing side of it, the lifting side of it, basically anyone on the site, they get involved in some way or another. And so we need, again, we need them all to know how to do things effectively and safely. There's a lot of money, and it had to be brought over from New Zealand. And the fact that we are going with this particular equipment because it's in contrast to the older equipment that's been used before. The older equipment's a lot heavier. It's a lot harder to handle, or to work with, or to use. This equipment is not only lighter, it's easier to use, it's safer